Today is March 16th, and I bring you an updated video message on our work related to slowing the spread of COVID-19 by moving our instructional and student services to be provided at a distance. Let me start by saying that Bakersfield College has been ahead of the curve in anticipating and preparing for business unusual in the face of this epidemic, or should I say pandemic. 2 weeks ago, we were ahead of the curve when we started the social distancing approach of canceling non-essential travel and non-essential large gatherings and events. This gave us the time to prepare to transition the core functions of the college, instruction and student affairs. The systematic attention to detail in moving this large enterprise, over 40,000 students, to function effectively from a distance is no trivial task. However, with the talented and dedicated faculty and staff, we work together side by side to take care of every operational detail as we moved course after course, service after service to a virtual environment, all the time focusing on our students. We are supporting employees to work remotely to reduce the number of people who need to come to the physical campus. In other words, BC will be still present for our students and still present for our community, just not in the traditional face-to-face environment. It is extremely important to our faculty and staff that we do our due diligence in extensive social distancing to slow the spread of the epidemic to support our healthcare system and our most vulnerable populations. I've hosted several virtual forums with faculty participating as panelists, sharing best practices as #BC Goes Online.